Alright then, so what's up YouTube? So today I'm in the Evo 8 and we're about to install a short shifter. Yeah, and the short shifter for this Evo 8 is compatible for Evo 7, 8 or 9. It's from Torque Solutions. Greg and I are gonna show you how to install it and stuff. Just stay tuned. Stop. You on the tweak?
Watch out, fool down! I'm almost on my phone! Alright, so that's how. Are you recording? You just stop recording? I'm like, what the fuck is it?
Oh!
This is the throw. You see? Fool, record this. First to second, second to.
Remove the 2 bolts.
Screws.
Same shit. Alright, after removing the 2 screws,
You
should be able to just lift it up.
Oh yeah. Oh shit, son. Let's gut it the hole.
So then after, we gotta remove these 2 bolts right here at the bottom. There's one right there.
That's what you call weight reduction, fellas.
And then there's those 2 screws right there.
Hey, we're gonna need to figure out a way to, cause this is my big ass shift knob. I never recorded a video on this. I don't think when we install this. This shit weighs 800 and something grams. It's like almost, I don't know, this shit's almost like 2 pounds, so it's heavy as fuck. But we need to figure out how to get this adapter off that's on it.
An ashtray.
I forgot how I took it. I already took this off before, remember?
Let's just pull it. Yeah. One thing,
guys,
guys.
so you gotta remember that when you're taking this off, you want to make sure that this is connected because then you don't want this shit to rip and you don't want to get breaking and you have to worry about new whole parts.
Is there more screws under there?
Excuse that, guys. This is feeling a little jumpy today. Well, you should be able to pull it out, mate. Oh no, just to let you know, there's little tabs right there.
Be a dumbass, you break them like Dante.
Yeah.
He likes to just rip shit.
But yeah, just be careful with that. If not, this is what will happen. It should break. Oh, for sure. Oh, got it. Alright then, guys, you're gonna need a 10mm
10mm what, fool? Range?
socket.
Socket?
Was that a 10mm wrench as well?
No, it's a 12.
Is it 12?
Nah, it's a 10.
Okay, he's full playing games right now. Alright then, guys, for the other bolt, it's gonna be a 12 socket. And then you're gonna need to use an Allen key for the other side.
Fucking butterfingers over here.
Be careful removing this clip. That's the clip you need to remove the actual OEM shifter from the clutch cable.
Bracket for the shifter.
Alright then, guys, you're gonna need to remove what? 4 12mm bolts on the shifter bracket.
God damn, butterfingers part 2.
Mm.
So you can put those shifter bushings on. In there, torque solution, new short shifter, new shifting retainer. Got that from STM Tuned. It was like I think it was $32 after shipping. But yeah, so you gotta get this if you get a short shifter. And yeah, so.
Alright then, guys, don't forget to remove those little white caps from the OEM shifter. And be careful on not breaking them.
We got Bunko Supreme over here about to drive it. The board lifter.
The board lifter?
Balloon shift. watch that blow my
Yeah,
mind.
it is a little bit notchy sometimes.
That shit's naughty as fuck now. Making it out of here is so hard. You're gonna make that shit like that, bro. You're gonna drive all the way into the other lane. So we really just stalled this shit.
Alright, we're gonna take some time here.
You need me to drive?
Fuck you. What? Yeah, huh? Tell me why when I drive it, it's always fucking weird.
Some more.